Student, today I will discuss about a topic and the topic name is phobia. So let's start with the definition of phobia. A phobia is an irrational and excessive fear of an object or situation, and the definition is given by ANA. ANA means American Nurses Association, or another definition is a phobia is an unreasonable fear of a specific object, activity or situation. So basically, a phobia is a type of anxiety disorder that causes an individual to experience extreme irrational fear about a situation, living creature, place or object. A phobia is when you have intense or even overpowering fear and anxiety in certain situation, or when you encounter certain object. That's called phobia. So now the signs and symptoms of phobia. A person is likely to experience feelings of panic and intense anxiety when exposed to the object of their phobia. The physical effect of this phobia or situation can be: first sign is sweating, abnormal breathing, rapid heartbeat, trembling, hot flashes, chest pain or tightness in the chest, dry mouth, confusion, nausea, dizziness and headache. These are the signs and symptoms of phobia. Now come to the ICD classification of phobia. Classification according to the ICD-10 means International Classification of Disease. F40.0 is agoraphobia, F40.1 is social phobia, F40.2 is specific phobia, F40.8 is other phobic anxiety disorder, and F40.9 is phobic anxiety disorder unspecific. Three common types of phobia are there. First is simple phobia, second is social phobia, and third one is agoraphobia. So simple phobia, it is irrational fear of a specific object or stimuli. Simple phobias are most common in childhood, and by early teenage most of these fear are lost, but some few persist till our adult age. And now come to the social phobia. It is an irrational fear of performing activities in the presence of others or interacting with other people. Now come to the agoraphobia. It is characterized by an irrational fear or anxiety of being in places away from our familiar situation or any situation that involve crowds, situation that the person cannot live. There are some most common phobias, and they are acrophobia. Acrophobia means fear of height. Now hematophobia. Hematophobia means fear of bloodstream. Claustrophobia means fear of closed space. Gametophobia or gamophobia means fear of marriage. Insectophobia means fear of insect. Zoophobia means fear of any animal. Microphobia means fear of germs. Brontophobia means fear of thunder, and algophobia means fear of pain. There are some common complications of phobia, means people who are suffering from phobia may find this complication. First of one is social isolation, depression and substance abuse. Social isolation. If a person have phobia, they may find they are avoiding any social situation and public places. Financial, professional and interpersonal problem may occur in the social isolation. Now depression. The avoidance of many activities that other people find enjoyable in their personal and professional life may lead the person in depression. Now come to the substance abuse. Some people with phobias turn to alcohol or use of any other drug to deal with the stress caused by the treatment of phobia. In medical management, we are used two drugs, benzodiazepines or antidepressant. In benzodiazepine, we can use lorazepam or diazepam, or in antidepressants we can use imipramine or sertraline. Apart from the medical management, we can also use the therapy and other techniques to overcome the or cure the phobia. So behavior therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, assertive technique, psychotherapy we can use to treat the patient with phobia. And except this relaxation technique like progressive muscle relaxation technique, deep breathing exercise, listening to music, art therapy, these therapies also can helpful to cope with the phobia. Thank you everyone.